HAKURA Mini Flour Mill. We are happy to bring you the essential need of the kitchen partners for you. These grains and spices can be crushed to the finest powder in just a few minutes with this new HAKURA machine. Please ensure the input is well dried without moisture. Just loosen these screws just like this to open the lid. Switch on the power switch here. Just like the blender, this can be operated to crush the spices into uniform mixtures. To obtain the best result, just tilt it front and back during the operation. It's time to check the result. So, just open the lid. Wow! Seems to be the finest flour ever. As we can see, the finest flour that we crushed out of this beautiful mini flour mill. We will take it now. These flour mills are available in the capacities of 400 grams, 1000 grams, 35 to 40 kilograms apart from this 2000 gram mini flour mill.